Here's the following problem inside Premiere Pro 2020. I tried to import a lot of MP4 video files. Open. It's trying to import it very slowly. And in the end I received this message: file import failure. The file has an unsupported compression type. Okay, so let's see how to fix this problem. And if I drag and drop the videos onto the timeline, the video is completely black. If I go there, nothing is visible, plus these red error messages, and it's not even importing all the files. 561 and 584 it should be. Okay, so to fix this problem, let's just delete all of these from here, from the left side. Okay, and close the program, save it. Even saving won't work. So go to Total Commander, download it if you want, and select all of the video files, and I want to rename them from MP4 to MTS. To do that, go to File and Multi-Rename Tool. Okay, change the extension from MP4 to MTS. Click the Start button. Could not rename the files. Okay, this is trying to close, but it cannot even close, so I have to force it with the Task Manager, Premiere, and End Task and Process. Okay, again, and start again, and it worked. So close. So now all of my MP4 files were renamed to MTS extension. Now start the program once again, Adobe Premiere Pro. And now let's go back to File and Import, and select all of the files with Ctrl A and open. And now it's importing it much faster, and it is not MP4, but it is MTS, and 584. So all of the files, 584, all of the files were imported. Okay, so let's drag and drop them onto the timeline, and the video is visible, and there is no error message in the corner either. Okay, so just in case you cannot import large files, because these are 4K video files in the MP4 format. So if you cannot import MP4 videos, rename them to MTS using Total Commander if you want.